I don't look at the views really, bro. I just care about being consistent. And it's like, I saw this video today where it was like David Goggins says he still stares at his shoes for like 30 minutes before he puts them on to go for his run. He don't want to do it, bro. But he still does it, right? So that's kind of the mindset I take with the content. I post 6 Instagram reels a day, right? So I don't think it was a piece of content. It was adding to the video team, like Jay, the guy that edits the videos, like him getting better and faster and being able to do more than allowed me to run at my fullest speed and my fullest potential, which is fast and a lot, So I think that really accelerated it. But then YouTube itself really, I feel like I was winning the most on YouTube, growing the fastest with daily videos. But that is fucking hard. It's so fucking hard. I hate it.
It is.
Yeah.
It's
too hard.
I'm doing the complete opposite so I can be consistent. So now I'm doing 45-minute to 1 hour videos once a week.
I would do that. And that's what I'm doing with the podcast. Well, I'm really not doing other videos right now. I've just been doing tutorials and podcast.
Yeah.
And I did a payout video because when you take payouts, I got to brag about it. So got to do the payout video. Yeah, Tanner, look, bro, remember you were at like 23, 26K. Look, bro, I'm like you now.
Oh, getting there, dude. Getting there.
Getting there, dude. I'm trying to keep up, Mr. 600-pound deadlift. Yeah, so Tanner, give us a debrief. I'm sure the chat was
700. Don't fucking butcher it. Don't make me weaker than I am.
Sorry, sir. What? Give everybody an update from yesterday if you can, buddy. How you feeling?
Dude, you know what's crazy is like yesterday was the first day in so long where I literally just felt like depressed, dude. And I know bigger picture zoom out. Everyone's like, stop being a bitch, whatever. It just like, I just revenge traded and tried to force things. And that's what I was so upset about and like frustrated with myself. Because it's an old rookie habit of like, I can tell I have a good read now in the market. I can tell like, I'm like, oh, there's not too much edge here, right? Or like, okay, this might work, versus like, oh no, I have edge, I have confidence. And that's what I was trying to force yesterday and make it back. I had a really good trade on RTY. And then I was focusing on Snow because they had a post-earnings play. I was like so convinced it was like gapping into support. They're going to buy support. It did work initially off the open. And then basically just completely dumped. And then I just kept holding on and then adding because it was kind of working here and there. And just doing all the wrong things, man. And then like eventually, before I knew it, I lost like literally like 5K trading options. And so in 2 days, like literally in my trade Zella, like I'm down 10 grand this week. And I'm like, oh my God. And it was just one of those things where just like, I know I'll be fine. Like I get it. And I get it. I'm just being a bitch sometimes about it. But like, it's just still one of those things where it was the old feeling. I think it was like old fight or flight response of like how I used to be in my beginning years. I remember like my second year of trading where like I would just basically blow an account, like an options money, and then just lay on my bed in like fetal positions, just being like, I'm fucking terrible. I'm terrible. And yesterday, like after I blew all the money, I laid on my couch and I was like frozen. And I was like, oh my God. So I think it was like trauma coming back in my brain of like my learning curve. And so it's like, I went into like fight or flight of like, oh my God, you're going to lose everything. Everything's done. Like basically like, but it's like, no, zoom out. You're fine. So it just took me some time to recover from that. And I'm just like, okay, you know what? Like I did have a good option or a good like trade on futures. I just need to chill out with the options and not be so aggressive. So,
well, confidence was building, bro, after last month.
It's been, especially the past 6 months in general, have just been like,
this will make you a better trader, bro, because now you've experienced the best month ever, followed by a bad day or bad week, like the worst week, right? So it's like that, but that's the stereotype that I think it's like a rite of passage that we all kind of have to go through at some point. You know what I'm saying?
Correct.
So what are you trading today? You're trading a pre-live account?
Pre-live account, RTY. Like, I'm not going to be super aggressive today. Like, this looks like it's failing VWAP right here. And
dude, you got to help Top One. I told them they need a new name for pre-live. It should be called like Elite or something like that. I don't like.
So, you know what someone said yesterday in the comments when I was streaming with Eric? Someone was like, pre-live sounds like pre-cum account.
I know, dude. That's what I was going to say.
I'm never going to get that out of my head now. You fucked it up for me.
Sorry.
So chat's asking if I'm long. We got some people on ASFX TV long. We are above VWAP. I don't love how tight this range is right now, but I like the orders on Bookmap for the long. For Tanner Straight, for anybody that's long ES, it's Bookmap saying 6,900 is the target here above, which I think is very attainable. We're 15 points from that. Yeah. I'm not in it yet, everybody. I'll tell you as soon as I take it. So will Randy. Definitely.
Yeah.
I mean, part of me is like, I like the long, but then I look at the move we've made since the pre-market bounce. I'd like to just see it slow down for me a little bit. I like structure to trade into.
And
you know?
that's the screen
just
time
me.
and experience that we talk about right there.
Yeah,
Because
for
you,
sure,
you
for
like
sure.
because like the plan can be there, right? Like the setup can be there, but based on what you know, you're like,
It's
this
hard
don't really
to
look
teach
right.
that. Somebody asked me yesterday, I had this long trade yesterday, and somebody was like, put the whole picture together because your markup's not put in the picture. One of the guys in the Black Shirt Club said that to me, and he was right. So then I start typing it out, and I'm like, dude, what I was thinking is way more elaborate than just a VWAP. You know, I'm looking at the time, I'm looking at the MOC, I'm looking at the higher lows. I'm looking at yesterday when I took the long, I'm like, what price can we not go to today? You know, I was long in here yesterday and caught the pop to here at the end of the day. And I was like, we have not been able to go underneath 50. So I'm like, I'll buy 53 and I'll put a stop at 45 and see if we can get something out of that. So I'm looking at prices like it's way, like you said, Lawrence, it's way more than just the line.
Yes,
sure.
100%. And I think that's where I think even when I joined the Black Shirt Club, like I didn't even know what MOC was. And now I know MOC exists and it's always in the back of my head, but that just comes with time. Like as you learn the markets and you start to understand, okay, we got 10 minutes left in the day here. This thing could, do something crazy. And if you manage it well, you could catch some of that move. So
Yep.
that was that.
Randy,
that was
they want you to do a prop trader meetup in Canada. Tell everybody what we talked about.
Yeah. So actually I'm working on some dates right now. I think December 19th. I might be doing something here before Christmas. I already talked to a few people.
Love that.
It's as I'm talking about this and manifesting this, I got another message this morning from a local trader, and I didn't even say
There
it.
you go.
And I was
need
just
to do
like, it makes me, it's
Friday.
crazy because it's like more and more people keep coming out and just messaging me saying I'm local.
Wait, well,
and I haven't even announced the meetup.
I said to him, everybody, I was like, let me get a graphic together from our marketing team and I'll post it. And I bet you get 20, 30 people. All I would do, Randy, is create an Eventbrite thing for free. And like, you can just send that out to people, and they can RSVP there. So that way you can know who's supposed to be there. And that way you can.
I didn't even think about that. That's
when
cool.
I've done, when I did the free meetups in Florida, we would just set an Eventbrite trader meetup. And then people will go on Eventbrite and search trader meetup and you'll find randoms show up. So it happened to me both times. So yes, definitely everybody, we are working on a Vancouver meetup. And then Evan's not here, Lawrence, but Evan's trying to do one in Fort Lauderdale in January. I told him I'm going to try to come down too. So I told him to keep you and Zach posted on that.
Oh yeah, I'll be there.
I know you would. Tequila's there, Lawrence is there.
Tanner will come to the Vancouver one, right, Tanner? It's a quick flight. 2.5 hour flight.
What'd you say? Say it again.
December 19th. I'm thinking I'm throwing that out.
He wants you to come up there. He wants you to come up there. That's what he's saying.
Dude, too cold for me up there, bro. I don't own a snow jacket.
That's crazy.
Dude,
He doesn't want to go anywhere but Cali, bro. I tell him to come to Florida. He's like, no,
I don't even know
not Cali, bro. You tell him to go to Canada, it's too cold. Like, damn, bro. Leave.
Dude, I got fucking. It's beautiful weather here year round. I got dispensaries everywhere. Where else I need to go?
It's the same thing here.
These are the good questions, everybody.
These are the good questions,
this
bro.
Is the good question. Yes.
Yeah, this is the good information.
Tanner, what's your target on this, buddy? Sorry.
Honestly, I'm looking for just a potential continuation, like crazy back into. We had such a nice 2 days yesterday. I'm afraid it might be a little pause bar today, so this might fail. If this fails, I'm probably not going to take it again. But if it gets going, it's up here towards 25.50. So this is what 200 to make 1,000. It's 5 to 1. So it's a solid.
Randy, what do you got?
I'm looking at the longs up to 6,900. I'm not in anything yet.
Too small, Randy, on your screen. I wanted you to say this. Look, first break of opening range high, pinned out here. See this come back a little bit.
Down and then off New York up.
Yeah, maybe. Lawrence, what were you going to say?
Oh, I was just going to. I'm done trying to convince Tanner to come out here.
Dude, you never like legitimately ask me, hey, you want to come out here? Here's the dates. Come out. You just randomly
East Coast
like,
tour.
Come to Florida.
Go to Florida, then go here.
Come to Florida.
That is not true, bro.
You gotta put them up. You gotta put them up at a nice one, Lawrence. Put them at the Ramada Inn or the Sinesta.
Yeah, the Ramada.
The Ramada.
Tanner, you think it's cold? You think it's cold up in Vancouver this time of the year? I'm in Toronto right now, and it's fucking freezing.
Oh, it's way worse.
All the same
it's freezing
shit.
here.
You guys in the Northeast are savages. I don't know how you guys do this shit. Like it's fucking cold.
It's cold. Everybody, we have news in 8 minutes. Just a warning. News in 8 minutes. Okay. One more thing too, ASFX TV chat. I'm going to put the link again. Name on there once, please, and we will do the free giveaway. We'll duck race this motherfucker. Lawrence, before you came on, and Tanner, before you came on, I told everybody today is a very exciting day. Not just because of the Brian Shannon thing, which we'll talk about in a second, but top one, all the giveaways I'm doing for top one from now on, No more Project X. All trade of 8.
All trade of 8. Yep.
All trade of 8.
Yep.
Yeah. So boot camp, we made the announcement yesterday, everybody, that Brian Shannon will be our keynote speaker, as you can see here. And if you go to asfx.biz/bootcamp, you'll be able to see all of our guest speakers here. Everybody all framed up, all nice. Look how nice it looks.
Dude, look how
But this should be-
look how clean of a bicked head he has, man.
Oh, dude, it's also like they have a lot of experience. We have a couple of bald guys in here, so there's like
That's
it's
true.
easy. It's copy paste
That's
the bald
true.
thing on.
I
you know what
guess
I'm
you're
saying?
right. Yeah, I guess you're right.
So, but what's crazy is I told everybody this morning, we sold more tickets already for the next year than we did for last year. We were at 53 last year, and we're already over that.
Oh, we're at
give away a prop room account. Yes.
we're at 53.
We're at 55.
55.
Yeah.
I think someone from the from our team just signed up. George.
Yep. Yesterday.
Sick. Perfect.
George is in.
Yeah.
In there like swimwear.
That
George
dude, he trades. If anyone's into real estate, he's really into real estate, #1. So it'll be a networking opportunity for a bunch of people. And then he trades a lot of spreads, actually, which is really interesting.
Cool.
Option spreads.
So interesting. I love that, dude. So we can talk to all these people and just see what people are doing. It's the best part.
Yeah.
For sure.
Million ways to skin the cat.
Million ways to skin the cat. Tanner, how are you liking the Edge supplement stuff?
Dude, I love it. I love it, man. Like, honestly, like that's why I wanted to get stuff going with them, because it's fire. Yeah, I take that. I put the Hydra and the Focus every day in the morning. I haven't been drinking coffee in the morning. I've literally just been drinking. Well, I drink coffee later because I'm a derelict and stim junkie. But I've been drinking this first thing in the morning, and when I'm trading, it's just good because it's easy to get my electrolytes in too, but it also has a little bit of caffeine. And the mushrooms, dude, the mushroom gummies. You know, they aren't the I'm not seeing colors, but I'm seeing patterns with it, bro. I'm seeing patterns. Okay.
I said I'm gonna, for my payout videos, I'm gonna be like, 7 payouts in 5 weeks thanks to Edge supplements. Bang.
Yep. Boom. Exactly.
And my wife and I made a baby. Bang. You want
Bang.
more dick? Edge supplements. You want more payouts? Bang. Edge supplements.
You want more babies? Bang.
You want more babies? Bang.
Bang. Yep. Exactly.
I got some
I'm
waiting
trying to
for
be
me
like
when I
that
get
guy.
home, so I'm excited to try them.
Randy,
So,
bigger boner candles. Bang.
Bang.
Like, who was that guy with
boner,
the
all right. Maybe not a candle.
Right. What was the OxyClean guy? What would he say? Bam. Bam. Remember that? And you had Emerald in the kitchen. Bam. In the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Sound effects are good.
Bam. Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Cat's already green. Santiago just closed XFAs up 470. So it looks like everybody's trading up into the 90s. I think you still get 6,900 potentially today. I don't see anything underneath us to pull it down, right, Randy? So
no, there's no reason this doesn't want to drift to 6,900, but we have that news at 10 a.m.
What's interesting here too, everybody, look at 930, bottom left corner. The orders were there, but they quickly got thicker here as time has gone on at the 90 that we just filled. And then look at how nothing comes on underneath it. That's the sign, So very clear. Bookmap, Lawrence, you were saying how markets have been very choppy. Bookmap has helped me tremendously, bro. Like unbelievably more in the last 3 or 4 months than before. Maybe I'm getting better with it, or it's the market condition and it works better in ranging more. I don't know, but it's definitely helping. And Randy can testify. The chat can testify for sure.
100%.
Out of the longs. All right, everybody's already out. Plus 90, plus 1,200. Good job. Pre-cum trader. Bang. Yep. Nice. Tanner's a pre-cum trader.
Oh my God, dude.
I was going to say to everybody in the chat, if you got long at 80, first break of the opening range high there, getting out at 90 once those orders were filled was a good exit, or even taking some size off and locking your stop.
Yep.
We got
Here to
new,
here,
what, 4 minutes?
4 minutes, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
This RTY is really just staying under VWAP, but it's not looking terrible. It's really not looking too bad. Kind of see, it was the winner yesterday. Did you guys see RTY yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
I don't watch
That was
it
the
anymore.
diamond in the rough, dude. That was the diamond in the rough. It's classic, like Wolf of Wall Street. The only thing I'm mad about is I didn't buy more. That's how it was yesterday.
Luigi 180, Sean Don 403. Let's see. Troy got a trade, so Troy's making money. Troy 900 on that. Yeah, look, Troy got it at 80. Oh no, he got NQ on the retest.
Let's go, Troy.
That was that's a great trade. You got prior day high there and a retest of VWAP. That was a really good one.
Yep.
Great
Troy
job,
sharp.
That was awesome.
ES basically did the exact same thing, Tanner. I was
Yeah.
clean, like pushed that pre-market there, came back, tested that VWAP, and then we get a pushback, take out the highs.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you think here? Shaw saying, watch the orders at 6,900. If they clear off for the news or not, that could be a sign. What do you mean, Shaw? What does that
Like
mean
he's saying,
to
if
you?
they come off, I think he's worried about
It
not
going
getting up
lower.
higher. Yeah.
Got it. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
This is
We got 3 minutes.
yeah.
What is the news?
I feel like I might get stopped on this play. I'm getting too
We
too
have
many
the
rejections
tradition.
to do up.
It's the University of Michigan sentiment, but also US PCE price index, US PCE price index for month over month and year over year, core PCE price index year over year, core PCE price index month over month, and consumer spending, which is forecast to come down. So it could shake a little bit. Consumer spending with the sentiment, with the PCE. I mean, that's not a little bit of news. That's definitely something.
Yeah.
It's
I think
interesting that the
PCE is inflation
PCE
news,
is
right?
10 o'clock. Yeah, why is the PCE at 10 o'clock? That's not normal.
Yeah.
Isn't it normally in like the pre-market at like 8:30?
Yeah, at 8:30. Yeah, it's weird.
Dude, ever since the government shut down with all the
Right.
data, all the fucking
Right. Yeah, they just scratched the jobs numbers for October. They're like,
yeah, they're like, oh, whatever.
All right, bookmap's already starting to get dark here. It's still higher though. Still at 89 or still up at 90 here.
See if I get.
If you're in a long here for us for VWAP boys, if like the way we like it, I would definitely be doing something with this trade. It could pop higher and rip, and I hope it does for Tanner too. But you're a Friday. Remember what's the rule? Don't fuck it up Friday. If you're green this week, especially, don't be like, yo, I'm confident I'm green. Hold it. No, do something. Be proper. Be professional.
YOLO.
That was my
full
whole.
court it.
Stop. I told everybody, I'm like, he texted me and said he's going to be mellow today, everybody. Let's see what that looks like.
I am. Look, I'm trading one RTY contract.
you're
I have a $200 stop. I'm like,
You're good. You're doing good. I like you here no matter what you do, buddy. No matter what you do.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
get stopped probably here. It looks like it. The news is gonna determine all of it right here in 30 seconds.
Well, you can see the order spinned out a little bit at 6,900. There was some just above and below it, and those came off.
If you
But
still
that
have a
main
long
block
bias
is still
chat,
sitting there.
nothing wrong with closing the trade and then finding another one. If you're in profit, especially, just take it and find another one. How many times have we done that? Every fucking day. Like, it doesn't have to be the one move. There's a great example of that I'll show you after this news shakes.
Yeah, I was going to say to Xavier, you could see this thing just shoot down and pin the bottom of the opening range low. And if you got stopped out on that, I would be pissed.
Watch this book map now.
Ooh,
It's still holding those orders higher. ES is pushing higher for a second. Consumer sentiment, miss on the consumer sentiment. Beat on the PCE, beat on the PCE. No, actually, it's okay. It's not that bad.
It's not really doing much.
Personal income's actually up over forecast. Canadian unemployment change higher than expected with unemployment rate lower. Randy, that was you.
Uh-oh.
Randy, that was you.
Yeah, the one guy.
You're the resident
One-
Canadian. What do you want me to
From
do?
one person.
Oh my god, that's funny.
How you looking, Tanner?
It's still pinning VWAP, but I'm not
Yeah,
dead
it's not
yet.
shaking that much. No, it's not shaking
Yeah.
that much. Should be okay.
Yeah. Oh no, we'll see. Again,
Are
it
you
just
long RTY?
yeah. Lots of pins though. It's got to fight its way through it. But I love this on the 15-minute, this sweep. Actually, 30-minute. Look at this 30.
Mm-hmm.
Sweep of all this here. Boom.
Because you would think what people chase this long
People chase this.
overnight.
Yeah,
Or
well,
sweeping.
they're like, oh, it has to pull back some because it had such a monster day yesterday, but it only sweeps here, comes down here. I think it swept this too. So I got a double sweep here. Boom, and all this boom. So that's why this is a good spot. It's fighting VO up, like I said, but this is why I'm not overthinking, overmanaging, overanalyzing. I'm risking $195. Like I
like what it's doing.
I lost $5,000 yesterday. I don't give a fuck about that.
Like Shaw said, dude, like these orders are still on above. I think 6,900. It's only 9 points above on ES. I think that's where we're going here. That's
Xavier
the
had
news,
TP
dude.
set to 894, and he got hit on that pin. So he
Good.
won the trade. Nice work.
Very nice. Yeah, ASFX TV chat. Let me know your P&L for the week if you don't mind. You could flex on that. Troy, some of the other guys in there. I know you're having a good week. If I'm having a good week, I know some of you are crushing it. I'll put the link also again for the free giveaway. We'll do our duck race in a few minutes. Okay, higher on ES here, 6,900. coming.
Oh, RTY trying to go through VWAP now.
Yep.
Beautiful.
You're gonna get a boner candle here. I can feel it, Tanner.
I mean,
I
you don't really feel any sellers here.
Let's
And
go.
it just, I'll tell you,
feel the
Tanner,
tingling.
see how this 6,900 fills on ES. If they put more orders above, yep, right there, 6,905, 100 contracts. So we can go higher. Michael, JJ, 4K on all accounts this week. Yes. Kareem, 1.7. Yes. Siad, up. Syed. I think Saeed. I hope I'm saying that right.
Saeed.
Sorry.
Butchered,
880,
butchered
880 this week. Butchered it.
Butcher.
2.4K for Santiago. Let's go, bro. 168 Jesper. Good. Black Shirt Club. Michael, TP long at 99. Okay, cool. 435 for Jeffrey. Very good. Locking out the week. Cleanest trade of the week was the long at 83 to 90. Nice. Good. Off the VWAP today. I like that, Adam. Good job. Post it on Twitter, Adam. I'll retweet you. Patrick, 305. New Ignite started Monday, 3 or 4 winning days at 51, 2, 3, 4. Great. 1,200 this week. Xavier, great job.
Killer.
Yep. Now Tanner's going to sit in this thing nicely.
Yeah. I'm just going to fucking post my feet up now and drink a margarita. And wow.
6,900.
Yeah, I'm in the driver's seat now for sure.
Yeah.
This looks good. Little worry on this. I just don't know how high it's going to go. I don't know if I'll get full target. The safest money is going to be a sweep of here into 38.
Yep.
The next one is going to be 44s, and then I don't know. I like these 50s though. If it gets some movement and momentum, it could see it. We just had such monster moves. Like this thing was so strong yesterday in this bar too. I'm like, why not? Let's just continue it. Let's just fucking rip. Let's go to all-time highs today. Why not? Come on. Let's just do it.
The only thing I'm cautious of is this here. Watch how this 69 reacts. If it does not fill, that's a bad sign for longs. You want this to fill. And like, see how it's putting contracts up here at 05. Now it's 122 up at 69.05. That's good because that says it wants to come through and actually go higher. So that's what I'm watching right now. Still flat today for me. Edgar, 753, A plus trade. Nice. 179 this week. No trades for Casey. It's good. Minus 100 on Ignites, plus 60 unfunded, clawing out a drawdown. Nice. Shaw, 2K on the week. Very good. Minus 88 for Saravana Kumar. I think I got that one better.
I think you did it.
Yeah,
Pascal.
you did your big one.
850 on the week. One trade away from next payout. Yes, Pascal. Yeah. We got a couple. I got pre-live guys in the chat. Where's Doug at? Doug, how you doing? I think he dug at a draw. He was 1,600 in drawdown on his TOF pre-live account, and he's taken like 4 daily payouts since. So it's good.
Nice.
The daily payouts are nice, dude. I do fuck with them.
Oh, dude, it's the best, bro. I really want it. That's why I'm really trying to get this I took all these payouts, Tanner, but they're not giving me the pre-live account because none of them have been second payouts on the same account.
You got to step your shit up, bro. Stop.
I know.
You got to be in more cautious mode now. You milked the payouts through the rinse and repeat. Now you got to be more cautious. And
well, it's easy actually, bro, with the Ignites. If you look at it, because when you take the Ignite payout, you have like $1,000 left, 1,500 of drawdown after the payout. But the instant fundeds, I have $400 now left to draw down on these accounts.
Oh yeah.
But I got 6-7 grand out of it. You know what I mean? So give and take. Boys.
6-7, dude.
Oh damn it, dude!
You fucking roll. You Gen Z.
Fuck me, dude.
Right.
Nice. Griffin 203.
Dude, I saw the funny. Okay, sorry. This is side note. I saw the funniest reel around Thanksgiving when it was like, it's like when you sneak off with your cousin to hit the pen, and like the cousin's like hitting the pen, and he's like, oh shit, like dude.
And he starts coughing. I saw
it's a blinker. He's like, what's a blinker? He's like, you hit that for 6 to 7 seconds, and he's like, so stupid, bro. Can we talk about this Ripper right here and how I'm this fucking sniper at the bottom, dude? I'm not dead yet, bro.
Can we talk about how we're gonna take profit?
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. Lawrence. He's gonna fucking hold. Enjoy your Friday, Tanner. Take your money and fucking run.
Fuck you guys. I will. I'm over it. I will. Look at it. Fuck you guys. Fuck you.
Nice.
That's it. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. No one can take it from me.
Buddy. Good job, buddy. Very good. Now rip your top one t-shirt out of satisfaction. Smash 2 beers like Stone Cold, bro. On yourself. That's what I should start doing. Stone Cold Steve Austin. 2 beers at 9 in the morning. Bang over the
head. Don't you just hate how soft the world got, man? Back in those days,
yes, bro.
WWF, WWE,
dude,
Raw, Raw,
I want a leather
Night
vest
Raw.
like he used to wear, dude. Yes, 100%.
Absolutely.
So chat is ripping the green here on the ES long. Lance 224, David 575, Michael 1,000. ES took the 6,900. Yep, good. W's in the chat, everybody. Very good. 6,900 levels on the book, man, last couple of days. Yep, and now today we get it. So now, like, what I wanted to show you is once that 6,900 filled, everybody, look, you can see now we've got orders above. We have orders building up here. It's like that filled there, and now it's like a whole new game. It's like a whole new level here at the 6,900. It's going to see if it can find some support in here and then try to move back up into these orders for now. So, but this is one of those days.
Dude,
right out of the opening range.
I literally just sold it at the top right there. The short term.
Well, it's a good flush, dude. When the market flushes, you got to take it.
Look at
Yeah,
So
good
you
exit.
get like
You said
Tanner
it, bro. It's going to
said,
sweep
the
those
thank you,
highs.
they
People will
walked out,
chase into the
anything?
buy.
Yeah.
Kiss on the
Yep.
cheek, maybe.
Wow.
Gerard 256, Dwayne 2450. Nice little
Damn.
2,500 bones on a Friday, Dwayne. Take it easy,
Damn.
bro.
Yeah.
Fire.
Good. Quizzle on YouTube up 1463 on the XFA. Very nice. Good longs, everybody. Very good longs. Across the board there. I think we should do our duck race now.
Pretty good action today, actually, all things considered. It's actually nice.
Yeah, one direction.
Nice wide candles. Good.
It's good action if you were long. You're either long or flat and you're happy. If you were short,
sure,
not good
for
action. Not good action for the short.
For
No.
sure.
No. Ant 1,200, very good.
That little bit of a sell-off pre-market there and swept all of the pre-market. Like how many stops? people
All
got
of it,
pushed
dude.
out on. Cleaned it out and then
All of it.
boom, push higher right off the previous day's New York VWAP. Like the VWAP is there. That's like clear as day.
So let's get this popping here, everybody. So we'll clear these out. We have 99 people entered today. Woo! We're going to have to
Damn.
pay to upgrade this
Wow.
duck race here in a second, boys.
Wow.
So what we're doing here, everybody, if you're watching on YouTube, we have a stream right now where I stream every day with Randy called ASFX TV. You can sign up with the link in my bio. First month is free. We only do this giveaway for people that are members of ASFX TV. This giveaway is sponsored by Top One Futures. We're giving away a 50K instant funded account on Tradeovate. So it is a very, very exciting day. Top One Futures is one of the only firms now offering Tradeovate. There are more firms still offering Project X, and those will be going away. So you want to make sure you're trading with a firm like Top One Futures that offers multiple platforms for their traders and offers daily payouts like Tanner's taking with the pre-live account, the pre-cum account. So let's rip this duck race. All right. I think a unicorn is coming out here.
Red guy. Red.
Oh, my brown
Suc
brother.
Vinder,
At the
dude.
bottom.
Suc Vinder.
Let's see you pronounce this one, Austin.
Hit the
Let me
Indian.
do it for you,
Randy.
Austin. Let me do it for you.
Let's go.
Yeah. Let Randy do this one. Randy's got this fluently.
Sukhvinder Singh's the winner.
Sukhvinder.
Basa.
Very good.
Basa.
Very good, Sukhvinder. Happy to give
How
it
you
to
say
you.
it? How you say it?
Make sure you shoot
Tanner?
me an email.
What's up?
Basa. Nice. Yes. I'll put my email in the chat for you, Sukhvinder. We'll get you that account. Very happy to give it to you, buddy. Thanks for being here.
Congrats.
We love that for you, buddy. That's good.
Killer.
Top One Futures always pays profits. Yes, they do. That is true. Tanner and I can attest. Randy can attest. Have you taken a Top One Futures payout, Lawrence? No.
He doesn't.
I don't
take
trade.
Yeah, I forgot you're too straight for us, I guess. Us gay boys over here at Top One Futures. Too straight.
man.
Can't even do it. I don't fuck with that, dude. Okay, shit. Sorry. I'll pop your cherry, buddy. Don't worry. When I see you next, I'll get you. Did
Yeah,
I
no.
harass you about this before?
He's
at the
on
dinner
my
and I
ass,
thought I
bro.
convinced you.
He's on my
Nope.
ass.
Guess I didn't
Tanner.
work hard enough on that time. We had this conversation already, and I thought I had him. He dapped me up and everything, and now here we are, still nothing. I told him he could take him, clean him out. He don't want to fucking clean him out. I don't know what his problem is.
If Top One comes
Yeah.
out with like a no consistency type plan, potentially, Lawrence would probably consider it.
I would.
Chat wants
I
more
do
duck
gotta
races.
say, I like.
Randy, are
I
we
like-
adding more duck races? Should we make the people happy? Should we do a duck races? Like, should we do a Monday and then I think we should do randomly on ASFX TV during the week and then always do the Friday. So maybe we will add
Yeah.
another one. Who said that? Ant.
I think it
Ant,
was
my Italian
so I
brother
think-
from New York.
I think that's a great idea because then it just rewards everyone for coming and hanging out with us, right? So
For
I
sure,
don't know when
for
it's
sure.
gonna happen, but it happens.
We're gonna do it, and then hopefully Top One won't yell at me. And then if they yell at me, then we'll have to cut it back. But we'll just do that. What's the saying? Ask for forgiveness, not permission. Something like that.
Ask for forgiveness, not permission.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Great longs, everybody. If you're already green, lock it up. Tanner locked it up. That's a great way to end the week. I'll take a few minutes here. I know, Tanner, you're probably going to leave and bounce on us. But I wanted to show you guys, we put up a new highlight video here for the boot camp. Since we got a ton of people here, we are going to sell out of this event. So I want to show you guys what you're going to get when you come hang out with us. So check this out.
That always fires me up, bro.
Fires me up, bro.
Always
Randy's usually dancing to it. That's actually not the video I want to show you, so I have to put the new
I was gonna say that's
the old one.
Yeah.
We'll show the other one in a second. But look, Tanner, 69.05 now, had 100 when you got out of your trade, there was 100 contracts here. Now it's moving higher and they're putting more there. Now it's 160 and all the way up at 69.20, everybody,
Ripping.
200 contracts.
Ripping, dude.
There's no sellers. So where do you want this to go? It's going to just drift higher. How far we have to be less than 1% off all-time highs now. Yeah. ES 0.7% off all-time highs. ES.
Dude, really nice bars here today, bro. This is
NQ only 2% off all-time highs on NQ, man. And do we ever do events in New York? No. Too liberal.
No.
Right.
No. Too liberal. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Dude, you wanna there's a textbook old setup I used to trade.
Okay.
On Ulta today. Ulta Beauty.
Ulta Beauty?
Ulta Beauty.
And he's like, I buy my skincare there.
I know. So yeah, for all the wives out there, all the wives out there, all the women, check this out. I'll pull up.
Yeah, because we know there's a lot of.
Is it going under? Are they gonna start having clearance sales? Should I get down there?
No, this is literally an old. This used to be my most money maker setup. I'm not gonna lie. I'm in a little bit of options right now for it, and it's working very nice. This is all-time high breakout setup, post earnings gap and go. Okay, I know that was a mouth thing, but basically,
blue 49 on the Niner.
You had multiple resistance points here at 74, all this area, and then we gap, and literally we hold the top of the gap perfectly, beautiful, and now it's just in price discovery mode, and it's just ripping, dude. And these are just algos. Look at this, slow, controlled, steady buying. Looking for this to push through 600 and I'll take profit, but this is like literally textbook called power earnings gap into all-time highs. I love it. So let's have a showcase that one. Any options junkies out there? Look at this one today.
When did you buy these options, Tanner? I need to ask you this.
At the open, literally when we retested this level right here.
You said yesterday you weren't trading any more options.
I know what I said, but it was too good. I'm a trader. I see opportunity. I go for it.
I just check it in, bro. If I didn't say anything, what kind of friend would be?
Fight. It'll get me more views. Fight him, Tanner. Beef him, Tanner. Yeah. Show him, Tanner. Wait, make it big. Come on, Randy. What are you gonna say? He's up $2,800. What do you want to say?
You know what I'm gonna say? I'm gonna say I love you, Tanner.
Look at it go. Look at it go more. Look at it go more.
You guys fight. Come on.
Randy was just holding. Randy was just checking on him, holding him accountable, and
no more. He is. He's being a good person. He's being a good person.
He is, dude. Randy's the best person. Randy's the best person.
I'm not gonna let him do this to you, Randy. I'm not gonna let him do this to you.
It's all good.
This aggressive rip through 600 right now.
Thank you, Lawrence. I appreciate it.
There we go. It's going more.
Good, bro. Enjoy it. Ant said, are there only events in Florida? Yeah. For us, we only do one a year. Yeah. I was thinking last night, I was like, it would be cool to just go to a city and host a dinner and like fly in, fly out, see.
Sick, yeah.
I'm down to do that. You know what I mean, everybody? We can do a steakhouse if we pick a city that we all want to go to and we can all just meet there. And it won't be a seminar. It would just be like a 3 or 4 hour dinner, hang out, drink.
A real steakhouse. No more of this Brazilian steakhouse shit, dude.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. We don't. Me and Randy.
Tired of
Randy, tell them about the argument that we got in
over
Dallas
milk
at the steakhouse over milk, bro. This is
over
the most
milk.
Me and Randy.
Don't cry over spilled milk, bro.
I go at it with my friends over anything. Like at some point, if you're my friend for long enough, we will argue and like you'll get heated. Like one time playing golf with Clay, he gripped me up and he was like, "Yo, chill the fuck out," because I was like grilling him about missing fucking chips, and it was the maddest I'd ever seen. Randy was the maddest I'd ever seen him because we were arguing about if you should drink milk or not. So check.
Oh my god, bro.
I still remember everybody at the table was like, what? It got like awkward where everybody at the table was like, what the fuck's going on here? Like,
and we're just going at it.
Oh
2%.
My god.
2%.
I'm out. Oh my god.
Is it ripping?
Dude, it's ripping through 603. Oh my god, it's going.
So why are you getting out?
Wait, because I'm taking profits, bro.
All right, good. I just like hearing you say that, bro.
Oh, it's going so good. Okay, I'm all out. Let's see. What did I make? What did I just make? Wait for it.
And come, bro. Hurry before the tickets sell out, dude. Get your ticket.
4,500 plus
Nice,
about,
dude.
I just made $5,500 back.
Nice.
Oh my
Nice.
god.
Nice work, Tanner.
Life of a trader, dude.
You know what's crazy?
You
He
can
went through.
stop me.
No,
He
dude,
went
never
through.
stop.
He
you.
went through all that depression yesterday to
Yeah.
now He-Man.
Life of a
I don't
trader.
know what
Hours,
opportunities are going to set up, bro.
He-Man, right?
I don't know what opportunities are going to set up. I just saw this at the open, and this is one of those things where I was like, this is the classic. Like, dude, this is my setup. I studied this setup for so many years. Like, this was my number one. This is the only setup that actually made me profitable way back in the day. And so I saw it today, and I was like, fuck, Tanner. Like, this is, this. You have to take this. I know you're being a bitch and be like, oh, no options, whatever. No, I had to. I had no choice. And we did it. Okay. So
I like it. I like it, Tanner. You know I fucking love it.
I know you do.
I'm proud of you for closing it when you did too.
I
You
did.
didn't try and get back
Good
your
rip.
losses on the week.
Right, because you
Yeah,
could have tried to hold that trade and make all the losses back. That would have been the only dumb thing to do.
You know what? And I literally, the way it just ripped too, I could have, but whatever. I made back a good chunk.
Evan said it yesterday, dude. He was like, the trick with any type of trading options or futures or anything is just how many days can you go without being retarded?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. And just
Pretty much.
again, it just recognizing, like, with options, the hardest part, it's honestly these individual names sometimes are the hardest part, because like when you have a really good clean setup like this, that's easy. But when it's not as clean and kind of iffy, I'm like, and I've been studying futures more than anything the past year. So most of my big options plays recently for day trades have just been on future setups I've seen. And I'm just like, oh, this is so good. I'm just going to add options on top of it because I see my edge, versus like a random, like, individual name that I'm like, oh, this earnings setup looks kind of good. I don't know. Versus today, I'm like, oh, this is a power earnings gap into all-time highs, like my old, like, textbook setup. As long as we hold this level at the open, this should be good. And I could just tell. I was like, oh, this is fucking it. This is it. So
There it is.
so,
Good breakdown. Thank you.
cool.
So we got questions in the chat. Tanner, you leaving? Lawrence, you leaving?
No,
Hanging
I'll
out.
hang out for a second.
Yeah.
I got
Yeah,
some
I'm gonna head
dopamine
out.
now. I'm good.
Okay.
I can hang out.
Lawrence,
for a second.
thanks for coming, bro. It's good to see you. Always. I appreciate your insights.
Thanks,
Always.
Lawrence. Glad to
Yeah,
have
have
you
a good
back,
weekend,
brother.
buddy.
Mm.
So, questions in the chat. Can we talk about this 15-minute chart? Is it too much to want to pull back to the New York VWAP? Austin, what are you hoping to see on the charts before you enter? And can you open your VWAP settings so I can take a pick right quick? Yes, I can open the VWAP settings. My VWAP, New York VWAP, is set to open, high, low, close divided by 4. You want the whole candle. OHLC4. That's how Brian says to do it. Now, in regards to what are we looking for? A pullback to New York VWAP is not out of the question. Xavier, to answer your question. And then Cameron, what am I hoping for? Is a pullback to the 90s and a hold of the 90s, and for these orders to stay on up at 20 and 05. I'd like to see it pull back to that opening range high New York VWAP zone down here, 90, 88, 86, and then I would look for continuation. With the price action so far today, like, I really just think by 10:30 you make the best decisions. You can see there's no sellers today. So there's just no reason to be short. It's long or it's flat. So longs could work higher if it drifts higher. I just know from my setup, to answer Cameron's question, I'm looking for a pullback. Could you put a high-a-day VWAP on here and trade the high-a-day VWAP breaks higher? Yes. Scalp those if you want. Absolutely. That's just not my trade. That's not what made me any money at all this week. Haven't taken any of those. Literally zero. My trades are all off New York VWAP. So, but look, about to take the 05s here. That was it's now 170. And that was when you guys got to 6,900 the first time back here. This was only 100 contracts. Now, from this pin to this bar over this span of 15 minutes, they've added double. Now it's 200 contracts at 05. Asaf said, I have 4 accounts. Should I wait for next month for better price action? No, we're still trading, bro. We're only taking a couple of days off. The plan, everybody, is this. Next week, full week of streams. The following week is Christmas. No stream Christmas Eve. No stream Christmas Day. No stream. Excuse me. I'm sorry.
We're streaming Christmas Eve.
Yes, we're streaming Christmas Eve, not Christmas Day, and not the day after. Because we looked back at last year, and when you look at last year, it was shit action the day after Christmas. We'll do then the same thing the next week. No stream on New Year's Eve, no stream on New Year's Day. The day after New Year's Day, January 2nd, Friday, we're all back as usual. So there's really only 2 days of no trading in the next 3 weeks for me.
Dude, I'm taking a full 2 weeks off. Like
that's
nice. Like a legit.
Yeah, I
full
remember you were saying
off.
that. Yeah, it's good.
Like right at December 23rd. Yeah, it's gonna be good. It's my deload. We're just like mentally.
That's good. What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to Santa Barbara this weekend in Morro Bay.
Okay.
I know
What's there?
You're not Cali. So Morro Bay is like, it's kind of like by San Luis Obispo. It's a little bit north of it. My girlfriend, she has like a family like event thing there this weekend. Morro Bay. So
That's a nice drive, dude. That's a nice
yeah, it's gonna be
drive.
sick. It's along the coast. Yeah. And then I went to school in Santa Barbara. So I want to show Brooke UCSB and El Vista and all that type of stuff.
Dude,
We're staying at
see
the
this rock.
I know. I gotta go see that rock apparently. And then we're gonna go. We're staying at the Ritz-Carlton Santa Barbara on Sunday. So that'll be super nice. Yeah. So
Andy, tell him that's the way to get into my heart. Whisper that into my ear. That's how you talk to me, right?
And get this, I'll whisper even more. We're staying there at an employee discount because one of my buddies works.
Yeah, let's go.
Dude, it's like it's only like $1,000 a night, and my buddy works for that Ritz Carlton. And it's like you got a room for $200, bro. I'm like, that's fine.
Dude. You know, you make fun of me, and we all bust jokes about the Jewish stuff. My dad would not take us out to dinner growing up. My dad did very well, right? Like he did very well. He would not take us out to dinner unless we had a coupon. He would be like, "Do you want to go out to dinner, Carol?" To my mom, and she would go, "Yeah," and he would go, "Okay, open the coupon book and find somewhere." And it would literally just be like, wherever there's a decent discount, we'll go there. Everyone would order whatever they want. My dad would make sure to order whatever the coupon. If the coupon was for 3 free side salads, my dad ate the 3 free side salads.
Just ripping side salads.
I swear to God, bro. So like your employee discount, that's how I'm raised, bro. You want to go somewhere? Who do we know that can get us a deal? Who can get me in for free?
Yeah. So yeah,
otherwise I ain't going.
It'll be a cool weekend. It'll be good.
Nice.
So
yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
I want to go to. They just put a Ritz-Carlton in Philly at the top of the Comcast Center, and it's like sick views. Gronkowski stayed there, like the players stayed there. It's really nice. It's like $1,500 a night. I want to
rip like an East Coast tour next year. Honestly, I haven't been to too many states on the East Coast. I've never been to Philly. I've never been to New York.
Have you ever had a Philly cheesesteak?
Dude, I don't like cheese, bro.
What's the fuck?
I know. Yeah, talk shit. Get them out. Get it out.
That is the gayest thing I've ever heard. Bro.
Get it out. Get it out.
Hold on.
Get it out. Get it out. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
How do you live in California and eat Mexican food and you don't like cheese?
I know. Keep going. Keep going. Keep it going.
All right, I'm done.
Are you done? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I just grew up not liking cheese in my burgers or like melted cheese for the most part. Okay, so there's asterisks to this. Okay.
Okay. Here we go.
I fuck with Parmesan on pasta.
Of course.
And I fuck with pizza, mozzarella. Like I can do that.
Okay.
Like, but I don't like excessive like tons and tons of cheese. So even on a pizza, when I get like a New York style pizza, you know, it's like a nice little thin layer of cheese, thin pizza. I fuck with that heavy. The really like overloaded tons of cheese. No, I can't do it. Not my thing.
So we need to go to Chicago.
So to answer your question, technically, no, I've never had a Philly cheesesteak.
Well, Riley, like some people will do a Philly cheesesteak. Like I like it with cheese, but some people in her family eat a cheesesteak with pizza sauce on it, like a pizza steak. I'm not a big fan of that. Some people will do like just steak, mushrooms, onions, no cheese. You can do that. Yep. So, but like if you come to Philly, like it's just a different experience, I feel like, than it was when I was a kid. You know what I mean? Like the only thing to do now would be go to the sports games, because like Philly has a unique area where all of the sports team stadiums are within walking distance. The basketball, the hockey, the football, and a big bar and a big casino and it's all walking distance now.
Yeah, that's sick.
Complex. Yep.
Okay.
Comcast owns all
so I want to do like a little tour. Like that would be really cool next year to like go.
All right, well, I'll help. Dude, I'm involved. I'll be involved.
Yeah, let's fucking do it. Like I really, because I haven't. Dude, I've never been to New York. I want to go to Chicago too, just like see the city. I've just never seen it, never been there. So I'm like, dude, I need to go fucking check out some of those places. So
I've never been to Chicago.
Really?
Yeah,
we should get to Chicago. I keep saying that I've never been to Chicago either. I think it's fucking
zero interest.
City.
Zero. Like I could care less.
I feel like as traders, like the hubs are right. It's New York and Chicago. Like that's like for like real prop firms.
No,
like right, like actual.
Hub? This is the hub right here. This is where it's going on this.
I know, right? Yeah.
This. What are we gonna do? Okay, look, it's the CME building.
I know, but you know what I mean.
We should
Fridays.
Have you been to the exchange, like the actual exchange?
No.
The New York Stock Exchange,
bro.
No, it's a fucking photo op, bro. It's gay. You have to pay to go. It's just gay.
No, I thought you can get invited. You can get invited.
You get invited by Einstein. Yeah, by Peter. Yeah, Peter.
Well, let's do that. Let's do a little Team Futures.
All the people that you see that post about it, I can I can prove to you that they pay to go on there because Peter charges people to bring them in. Yeah.
Dude, we should just get a foldable table, take our laptops, and sit in front of the fucking
Sit in
scene.
front-
That's what we're more
Great.
likely to do.
Green
Dude.
Bay,
Fuck
yeah.
going inside. We should be
exchange.
shooting something outside.
Yeah.
Shooting something outside. I got pictures of me somewhere way back on my Instagram. I did like my first ASFX photo shoot in New York in front of Wall Street. It's like me with a shaved head with the logo on a t-shirt standing in front of the building. So we could go
my
recreate
God.
that.
That'd be sick. That'd be super cool, actually. That'd be rad. We
Yeah.
should.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Chat wants Chicago. Chat likes Chicago.
Yeah.
Nah, I'll pass.
Yeah.
I'll see you in Philly.
Oh
I'm not
my
even hot on New
God.
York anymore, dude, because it's not what it used to be.
I just want to try all the food, bro. Like honestly,
Yeah, New
that's like
York's
all-
great for the food.
That's all I
Then
really
just go to
care
New
about.
York. Then just go to New York. There's so much good food in
Yeah.
New York. There's
I just
nothing.
wanna
There's no
fucking
reason
try
to
all
go
the
anywhere
food.
else.
I just
Yeah,
wanna
like
try
there's
all the
literally
food.
nothing, no reason to go anywhere else.
I'm uploading my
So we're getting a little bit of a pullback now here, everybody. From 10:05 now till now, really hasn't moved much. So like I said, now we're in that 6,900 area, starting to maybe see a little bit of like a intermediate style range between here, 96, and then the top here. Kind of watching that.
I kind of
Randy,
just
you got to
wanna
read
close
on
my
anything?
charts.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah, I mean, if you're green this week, there's no reason to take a trade if you feel like you don't want to. I mean, look at this 15-minute move since 8:45. Do we want to be buying it now? I mean, it definitely
Yes.
can go higher, but do you want to be here for that? I don't know. I mean, I'm up. How much am I up on my accounts this week? $3 grand. I don't know.
yeah, I got another Top Step account locked in for a payout on Monday. So
Oh,
green.
big dog.
why
think
do I?
I forgot I have a Top Step account I've been like chipping away at. Dude, I was on such tilt this week. I had a Top Step account that had like 10 grand in it. And literally I needed to make $150. Obviously, just like chip away and get the payout. And I lost 3 grand trying to do it. I was like, bro, I was like, this is not it. And luckily I walked it out so I didn't fucking fully blow it or anything. But like
When you get that close to like just needing that $150, don't you just tighten up the risk settings on it? So it's like, fuck, if you do make a mistake, you get locked out of the
the
account.
logical thing is to do that. But when you're in the terrible tilt mindset of just like, no, I'm going to be fucking right today. Yeah, you don't do that.
So one thing to the chat, like, and I can attest to this, and I got 4 Top Step XFAs that I'm taking payouts on, hopefully weekly, is that once I get close to that payout level, I lock that, I put the risk settings right down on that account and I tighten it right up. And as soon as I get those, any kind of tilt or any kind of fuck up, I take a losing trade and I'm locked out of the account.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So then I can't think about it. And it's like, I told myself I'm taking a payout on it. So it's like when the payout, like on Monday, I'm taking a payout on that account. I'm not trading it anymore. Right? So
yeah, exactly.
it's helped me a lot to be able to do that, just to be able to be like, tighten up the risk settings, get fucking kicked out of the account, realize you made the mistake because you're locked out now. And then you're like, you can, stew on it and then take the payout on Monday. So
the problem is I was doing it a lot because like when it's just the flip days like that of like $150, like dude, I'll just fucking like right when Asia opens, I'll be like, all right, kind of just pick a direction. Like honestly, like it's not really trading. Like I'll just admit it. It's like I'm just trying to make a quick $150 to flip it basically. So it's like it's just very different in that sense. I'm like, okay, well that was not it. So
no, I hear you.
Yeah. Let's see. I just uploaded.
Dan said
everything
Top Step discontinued Ninja Trader. I have not traded the new platform. Yeah, it's weird, right? Top Step takes away platforms, all the other firms adding platforms. You put your own 2 cents together and figure out why they would do that. But we would recommend you trade only with prop firms that offer more than one platform. You need more than one option. Otherwise, they could be controlling the option. Project X has had a shit ton of issues this week.
Wow.
Hey, Tanner, how's the live account of one of my goals? How do you get there? 2 payouts, 3 payouts? Tanner, you want to share any insight on that?
What's the question?
How's the pre-live account? I mean, I know it's good, but Ant's asking, how do you get there? 2 payouts, 3 payouts?
Yeah,
2
so
payouts
it's
at least on the same account, right?
Yeah, 2. For me, it was 3 not consecutive, but 3 payouts on the same account. Yeah, exactly. So back in like June, when I took a bunch of those payouts in a row, I took like 3 payouts across 3 accounts, like, multiple times. It's how I made like the $30,000 in payouts. Sent me to live. I blew it. And then after taking like a 1 payout on it, blew it, then went back to sim, then got to a payout, and then got basically like reconsidered for live and put me back in pre-live. And that's like kind of where I'm at now. So I want to share this really quick.
Another
Okay.
question in the chat is Top One
Yeah.
Futures definitely losing Project X. All prop firms are losing Project X except Top Step because
Yeah.
Top Step owns Project X.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Check this out. Pull up my screen super quick. Here is the week. So still red, but this looks better than the minus 10,000.
For
So
sure.
literally just like I got so wrecked. Look at this yesterday, dude. Look at snow, minus $3,000 on snow. RTY had a little loss, but then I had that win. And then NDX play, dude. This fucking killed me, dude. Fucking minus 3K on that. So that was just terrible. The day before, this is what started all of it. This is just an awful look at just way too
Wow.
many trades, way too much going
What do you
on.
think was that? Just being out of pocket, going crazy? Like what? That's
Yeah,
not
it was
usual.
just like, yeah, it was just literally just being wrong and then like being stubborn and trying to force it and then being too aggressive. Like this NDX play, it just anytime I get in the NDX, like I need to have a lot of conviction on it. Wow, this is awful on this chart. So overall though, this is my Robinhood, my Thinkorswim, and my pre-live account for the year. So you know what it was too, bro. If I remove the pre-live, I think I was at 90. I was right around here. I wanted to make $5,000 on my options account this month to make $100,000 in profits on options this year. And so I was trying to force it. I think that was part of it. I was like, fuck, dude, I'm so close, blah, 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 blah. And so that's kind of why I was doing that. But you know,
Love it.
Anyways, though,
Love
this
it.
is not
Great
not
bounce
terrible.
back, dude.
Yeah,
Fuck yeah.
nice bounce back
Great
today.
bounce
I'll
back.
take it. This is a fucking crazy trade in Ulta. So I'll
Tate
take
said
this
on
W.
Bookmap, is there a way to tell if the stop losses or take profits on Bookmap? No, you just know if they're bid or ask. It could be people entering the market or exiting the market. You don't know for sure if they're
All right, boys.
stops
I'm
or
gonna
take
head
profits.
out. I'm gonna go.
Yeah,
lift
good stuff,
and
bro.
then
Thanks for
go to
coming.
Morro Bay.
Thanks for hanging.
Yeah,
Appreciate you,
appreciate
dude.
you guys.
Enjoy the
Yeah.
weekend. Everybody
Good
say
end
bye
to
to
the week.
Tanner. Tanner, see you next week, bro.
Peace.
Great
See you
job,
guys.
Tanner, ending the week green.
Yeah, very good. Okay, Randy. Now it's just you and me, big guy.
Yeah.
You like
Yeah, what
you
are we
like this
doing?
range here up that I got drawn? And then we just trade higher from here, probably. So we're gonna break
Well, it
this.
just feels like it's gonna want to drift higher for me. The only thing I'm just thinking about it's Friday is like, at what point is this just gonna want to dry up too?
Do you want to be in a trade? Like that's the better question. Like you could buy this here. This is a valid fine, and then put a stop at 10 points. If it comes back to VWAP, you want to be out. And then just see if you get drift. Do you want to do that? Like, do you want to be in a trade managing it? Do you have the mental bandwidth for it? Or do you want to get off the desk and call it a Friday and take your winnings from the week? How much are you up this week?
I'm up like I think probably. I haven't put my trades in from today, but let's see here.
Tanner's on stream with us every Friday, everybody. So what we usually do on Fridays is we go live on X and on YouTube. We have guests on. We do our giveaway, though, only for ASFX TV people. What that does is it shows all the people on social media what we do all week long on ASFX TV. And hopefully people will hit the link in my bio, take the first month free like you did, Ant, and come hang out with us and see that it's well worth the money that we charge. Maybe I'll just be flat today, Randy. I got nothing. I've been green on all my accounts, all my trades this week. Just don't
That's
really
what
wanna...
I mean. Like, why even fuck around if you don't need to, right? Like, it's like we're sitting up here just drifting. Like, what is going to even happen up here? I'm going to be up like probably 2,500 on the week. So
across all my
I'll
accounts,
take a payout on Monday in those accounts, in that one account, and then hopefully it's actually working out nicely because they're all lining up to take a payout, literally one after another. So
Tate, the Bookmap discount still running. The code is ASFX 50 plus 10. 50 plus sign 10. 10. Thanks, Ant. Austin, take the trade. It's Friday. Thanks for me. Just chill out, dude. Yeah, so these are the 50K accounts, 3 of them together. This got the 3 payouts on Wednesday after I hit the 132. Haven't traded those since. They only have $400 of drawdown in them. These ones, I took the payout on these 3 Ignite accounts on the 21st or 24th. Yeah, whatever, right before Thanksgiving. And those have way more drawdown. I have $1,600 of drawdown on these. Now, my plan is to just take these to next payout. So, Randy, I'm at 1,700 balance of profit above 50K. I have to get to 34. So I'm like halfway, basically. I have to make another $1,800. And at 375 a day to get to 18, call it 2 weeks, going slow.
these are the ones you're pushing to get pre-live, right?
Yeah, because then these would be the ones that get 2 payouts. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
so hopefully then they would move me. Yeah.
You got
I've
it,
got
bro.
the
Yeah,
Ignite account. What's the min profit to take a payout on the 25K? I would go to their FAQ. What is the min profit on it? Is it $1,000 or 1,500?
1,500.
Yeah, you got to make 1,500.
$1,000 drawdown. You got to make 1,500.
There you go. Yeah, we want to show good habits here, everybody. We don't want to just take trades to be entertaining. That's never what our goal is with ASFX TV. The goal is you actually make money. I know that's kind of crazy. In the world of streamers and entertainment and bullshit, our stream is going to continue to focus on actually winning trades. So
For sure.
I think we wrap it, Randy. Bag her up. It's a Friday. We had a good week, everybody. The chat screen, everybody's screen. Let's do this. In the live chat here, I'm going to put the Discord link. Join the Discord, please, everybody. That way you stay up to date with everything. And then I'm also going to put the Black Shirt Club link. If you do want to get into the group coaching program with us, we have spots and we have a call today. So you can watch the recordings from previous calls, but also you can join us today at 1 o'clock. First day here, tuned in exactly for the sake of trying to find my discipline back. And I like that you did not take any trades. I'm going to take trades, dude. Trust me. I'm going to trade. Promise. Next week, Monday, I'll be ready. But when it's a Friday and the move already happened, and then I know this isn't where I get good setups, and it's now getting to 11 o'clock, all the factors of experience tell me, just put it away. You're up $3,000.
Yeah.
Took
Why?
real payouts this week, took $7,000 of real payouts this week. No need to do something stupid. Take a trade that's not yours. That's stupid. So yes, Futures 101 this weekend, everybody. Futures 2.0, liquidity concepts, if you're ready for that. That's what the weekend is for. I've been here a week. This group's legit. Thanks, Dan. If you feel so inclined, please go to Trustpilot and leave us a review. I'll bother you about that more next week, everybody. But let me know if you're interested in getting in the coaching program. Let me know if you have any issues getting into the Discord chat. And if you guys have any questions, as always, just shoot me a DM or shoot me an email. Timmy, the bookmap code, yep, I'll put it in the chat for you, buddy. ASFX 50 plus 10. It'll get you 60% off quarterly bookmap. 60% off is a great deal. They do not do sales often. And it includes market data. Yes, sir. It should. Okay. Randy, thanks for coming on. Appreciate you, buddy.
Love it.
Yep,
Always as usual.
I got a Trustpilot link. Enjoy the time with your sister and the fam, dude. You know, try not to get too
And
cold
yeah,
out there on
literally,
the East Coast.
I'm getting off the desk here, and I'm going. We're going out to the aquarium in downtown Toronto, and going to go out for some nice lunch and hang out, and so it'll be good.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right,
everybody.
weekend. Great trading
chat,
all week.
great job. All of you, Santiago, all the way down the list of people. Thank you for interacting in the chat. Thanks for being here on time. Thanks for being active. We really appreciate it. We will see you guys all bright and early Monday morning. Remember, full week of streams next week as we get ready for Christmas. Full week next week on ASFX TV. Thanks, everybody.